Hey everyone, n8n is getting a lot of craze nowadays, so I've created an easy automation for you by which you can get weather forecast for next 5 days through Gmail alerts or Slack alerts or on WhatsApp. So I'm using the local host for n8n and I'm gonna create a new automation from scratch and you can set up this by your own by watching my previous video for setting up the local host, and after that you can use this steps that I'm doing. By following this, you can add this automation for yourself as well. So first of all, I want a trigger that should be a schedule for everyday basis, so it will be running on every day, like 1 day interval. And I'm gonna test this and change the time here. Let's say I need it 9 a.m. so I can test it one more time. And so we have an output. I will go back and I will add the next step. So for weather forecast, I'm using an app, a site, openweathermap.org. It actually gives you API that we can connect in n8n or anywhere like make.com or Zapier. So you just have to sign in, go to your profile and click my API keys. From here you can generate a new API as well, but I'm going to use the previous one. I already made these connections in my n8n localhost, but yeah, weather, open weather map. I can choose one of these two steps. So return weather data for the next 5 days or return current weather data. So I want the weather forecast for next 5 days. I have a connection here, but if you want to, you can click create, put the API here and click hit on save. So yeah, I will use the previous connection. I can write my city name here. Let's say I'm living in Lodra, Punjab. So I will use this. The language is English. I will try testing this subtab, and yeah, we have a clear output like the temperature, humidity, sea level, pressure, all of the stuff. Maybe you are better than me understanding this temperature and sea level things, but yeah, we have a perfect step here. And now I want this step, I want this forecast to be sent on my, let's say, Gmail. We can use WhatsApp or Slack or anything else, but I'm using Gmail for now. So I'm gonna send a message on Gmail. I have account connected here, but you can click on create new credentials. We have OAuth 2 option here. We just have to put the client ID and client secret. So you can go on the console, Google console, and by creating a new project here, you can name it, add the URL of your local host, and then you will be able to see the client ID and client secret. That's a separate video as well. If you want, I can make it for you, but it is already available on YouTube as well. But yeah, we need to find the client ID and secret from here and put it here. So I will use the previous connection for now, and I want to send it to on this mail. So it should be weather forecast is the subject and message is testing. So I can change it to text as well or HTML if you know HTML, or you can get the help of ChatGPT. But yeah, let's execute this step, and yeah, it is working fine. I want to see. Okay, here I received the message testing. So hope you like this video and you understand how you can create these automations easily. You can turn it on and it will be keep working for you. If you have any question, you can ping me on my WhatsApp or on my Gmail given at the end of this video, or on my channel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to keep watching my next videos. Thank you.